Want to see me do an Octopus Merge in 10 seconds? Done. It's the end of the sprint. Your team has been on fire, smashing out features and squashing bugs like there is no tomorrow. You've got 3 feature branches and critical bug fix, all tested, approved, and ready to be merged into your develop branch. You do what you've always done. You check out develop, pull the latest, and then, one by one, merge feature login, merge feature dashboard, merge bug fix payment glitch. You push the changes and look at your Git graph. And what you see is a mess. A long, sequential sausage link of merge commits cluttering up the timeline. Sure, it tells a story, but it's a long, boring one. It's hard to see at a glance all these branches were part of a single coordinated release. I've been there more than I can count. For years, I just accepted it as the cost of doing business with Git. But what if there was a better way? A cleaner, more elegant way? Well, there is. It's called an Octopus Merge. And with SmartGit, it's gone from a scary command line incantation to a ridiculously simple 2-click operation. What the heck is an Octopus Merge anyway? Before you start having nightmares about mythological sea creatures attacking your repository, let me explain. An Octopus Merge is simply a merge commit that has more than 2 parents. A standard merge commit takes 2 branches, say your feature branch and develop, and joins them together, creating a new commit with 2 parents. The Octopus Merge does the same thing, but for 3, 4, or even more branches all at once. Imagine all your feature branches are the tentacles of an octopus. The Octopus Merge brings them all together into a single point, the head, which is your single beautiful merge commit. Instead of a messy chain of merges, your Git history now clearly shows a single point where a whole set of related features were integrated. The SmartGit way. It's too easy. Now you could pop up in your terminal and type out git merge, branch 1, branch 2, branch 3. If you are a command line wizard, go for it. But for the rest of us mortals, that's just asking for a typo to ruin your day. This is where SmartGit steps in and makes things easier. They've taken this powerful advanced Git feature and made it stunningly accessible. Here are 2 ways you can pull off the Octopus Merge. Method 1. All-at-once approach. This is the most straightforward way and my personal favorite. Open SmartGit and look at your branches in the standard window. You see bug fix payment glitch, feature dashboard, and feature login all sitting there ready to go. Check out your target branch, for example develop. Now, instead of merging them one by one, just hold down Ctrl or Command on a Mac and click to select all the branches you want to merge. Right-click on your selection and hit Merge. That's it! Seriously, SmartGit handles the rest, creating a single clean Octopus Merge commit. It's so simple, so elegant, and the result on the graph is just exactly what I wanted. Method 2. The Oops, I forgot one maneuver. This one is even clever and showcases the thoughtfulness of the SmartGit team. Let's say you just merged feature login into develop. A moment later, you slap your forehead. You were supposed to merge feature dashboard in at the same time. In the past, you might create a second merge commit, ruining the clean history you were going for. But not anymore. With SmartGit, you can simply select the branch you forgot, like feature dashboard, and merge it into the working tree only. This allows you to review changes and resolve any potential conflicts. Once you are ready, amend the initial merge commit with the changes from your working tree. This adds the second branch as a new parent to the existing merge commit. You can repeat this process, merging to the working tree and then amending for any additional branches, giving you full control to resolve conflicts at each step. while maintaining clean single commit history. SmartGit will work its magic, transforming your simple 2-parent merge into 3-parent Octopus merge as if you had planned it all along. It's an incredibly powerful way to fix a common mistake and keep your history pristine. Important considerations. Conflict handling. Octopus merges refuse to proceed if conflicts occur. This is a safety measure to prevent complex conflict resolution scenarios. Best practices. Limit to 5 or 6 branches maximum, and only merge-related features together. Ensure all branches are properly reviewed before merging. When to use it? Octopus merges are particularly useful when integrating multiple small feature branches that are closely related, combining bug fixes across multiple maintenance branches, or creating release points where multiple features come together. It's more than just a feature, it's a philosophy. After talking to the folks at Centevo, I learned that they have a real passion of helping developers create clean commits. The Octopus Merge feature isn't just a gimmick, it's a core part of that philosophy. We all know the importance of good software craftsmanship that doesn't just apply to the code we write, but also to the history we leave behind. A clean logical commit history is a gift to your future self and to every developer who ever works on the project. Tools that make it easy to do the right thing are worth their weight in gold. So go on, download SmartGit and give it a try. The next time you have a handful of branches ready for integration, unleash the Kraken. Your Git log will thank you for it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.